Today, I'm taking a close look at Gabi Insurance, an online service designed to help users compare auto, home, renters, and other types of insurance policies in one place. The promise of Gabi is simple: to save you both time and money by showing you quotes from multiple providers without making you individually contact each company. When you first land on the website, the layout is clean and modern, with a clear focus on starting the process quickly. You can either upload your current policy details or manually enter your information to see what competing insurers will offer. The registration process itself is fairly straightforward, but one thing I immediately noticed is that Gabi requires quite a bit of personal information to generate quotes. You'll need to provide details about your car, driving history, address, and sometimes even your social security number. This might make some people uncomfortable, and it's worth pointing out that you are essentially trusting Gabi to handle a large amount of sensitive data. Once your information is submitted, Gabi's system searches for insurance quotes across multiple providers. In my experience, the results were presented fairly quickly, usually within a few minutes. The site highlights potential savings compared to your current policy, which is useful if you're shopping around. However, not every insurer is included in their comparison tool, which means you might miss out on some deals from companies that don't partner with Gabi. Many useful links you can find in the description. One strong point of Gabi is the user interface. The quotes are displayed clearly, making it easy to compare prices and coverage levels side by side. There's also transparency about which company the quote is from, and you can click to learn more about each policy. I appreciate that the platform doesn't just push the cheapest option, but also lets you weigh different factors like deductibles, liability limits, and optional coverages. That being said, there are some downsides. Customer feedback online is mixed. While some users praise Gabi for helping them save hundreds of dollars, others report issues with customer support or difficulties finalizing their policy with the chosen insurer. In some cases, quotes displayed on the platform didn't match the final premium once the insurer processed the application, which can be frustrating. Another consideration is that Gabi positions itself as a free service, and while you don't pay them directly, they earn commissions from the insurers you choose through their platform. This business model is fairly standard for insurance comparison tools, but it's worth being aware that their incentives may not always perfectly align with finding you the absolute best deal. From my testing, Gabi is most valuable for users who want a quick overview of what's available without spending hours contacting insurers individually. It's especially handy if you're nearing renewal on your auto or home policy and want to see if switching could save money. But if you're someone who prefers hands-on discussions with insurers, or if you're very particular about coverage details, you might find the experience somewhat limited. Overall, Gabi Insurance does deliver on its promise of convenience and can indeed lead to real savings, though the experience isn't flawless. You should approach it with realistic expectations. It's a useful tool, but not a guarantee of the absolute best price on the market. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and user experience breakdowns.